Unihertz is presenting its upcoming physical keyboard smartphone, the Titan II Elite, at Mobile World Congress Barcelona. The device is being displayed at the trade show from March 2nd through March 5th, and yes, it's already drawing serious attention. Content creators and tech reviewers are getting hands-on time with demo units right at the event. That means we're finally getting early, real-world impressions, not just press renders. Multiple tech reviewers have been granted access to the Titan II Elite at MWC Barcelona. Among those providing early coverage are Jan-Ole Fombold and Adam from Tech Odyssey. Through these hands-on sessions, several hardware specifications and features have now been revealed, and some of them might surprise you. First, the device does not include a 3.5mm audio headphone jack. Yes, the headphone jack is officially gone. Instead, an infrared blaster is positioned on the top edge of the device, so Unihertz made a very clear choice here. The Titan II Elite offers dual SIM functionality with a hybrid configuration. The SIM1 slot supports microSD card expansion, allowing users to choose between 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card paired with a microSD card for additional storage.
That flexibility will matter for a lot of users, especially those who rely on expandable storage. Now let's talk performance. 2 processor variants have been confirmed for the Titan II Elite. A standard version will be equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 series processor. And then there's the Premium Pro version, featuring the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 processor. That's a noticeable jump in power. This tiered approach provides options at different performance and price levels, so users can decide how much power they actually need and how much they're willing to pay. Unihertz plans to launch a Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign for the Titan II Elite at the end of March 2026. Tech reviewers are expected to receive testing units for comprehensive evaluation by the end of March as well, so full reviews shouldn't be too far away. Official pricing information has not been announced at this stage, and that is going to be a key factor. The Unihertz Titan II Elite represents the company's continued focus on physical keyboard smartphones in a market dominated by touchscreen-only devices. And that's what makes this device interesting. While the MWC Barcelona showcase has provided initial details regarding hardware configuration and processor options, complete specifications and pricing remain forthcoming. Full assessments of the device's performance and overall value proposition will ultimately depend on the official launch and comprehensive testing by reviewers. For now, this is an early look, but it's definitely one worth watching.